I just know the names of portions of them. You start off in warrior pose. I always start off going towards the left. So you put your feet perpendicular to each other. So one forward, one the other way, other side. So you put them perpendicular, spread them apart pretty wide, and bring your arms up. I'm looking in a mirror to make sure my arms are on the same level. The one that's pointing with your foot forward, you bring the foot and the knee forward, but make sure the knee doesn't go past the toes. I'm looking at the mirror to make sure that doesn't happen. Hold it like this. You want to put about 60% of your body weight on the front foot. Hold it. And then you're going to swap around. And if you can, touch the floor with the hand going down. If you can't touch the floor, put your hand on your calf or somewhere on your leg. But if you can touch the floor, go all the way down to the floor. And look up at the hand you're holding up behind you. Just twist your head and point it towards that. And hold this for just a few moments. And then just twist back around. You bring the down arm up, twist it, the other arm back this way. So you go back into warrior mode. And then you can bring your feet facing forward. And then you can come forward, go back into a regular move. And then you go the other way. So I'm starting this back up, but I'm going to the right now. So I'm going perpendicular with my feet again. Going this way. 60% of the body weight on the foot bending, going forward. Holding it as long as I can for about 10 seconds-ish. And then once again doing the flip. Very slow, careful, controlled movements. And then looking back up at the arm in the back. This is a really, really good position or a really good stretch, and also very good for balance. And if you don't have balance, hold on to something when you're coming back up and bringing that lower arm around. You can hold on to something if balance is an issue. Balance is an issue for me at times, not always, but this is a really good balance exercise. And then if you have something safe that you can do a stretch with, that's a good stretch or back stretch. What I just did, just to show you, is I held on and I let myself drop down. But anyway, that's it for this one. Again, Gus, this one is for you, but it's for anybody else who might be able to benefit from it. Hope you can, and I guess that's it. Once again, I have a fitness channel now. Let me know, not a fitness channel, sorry. I have a fitness playlist, but if you want me to start a fitness channel, I will consider it. It just depends on how popular this playlist is. Take care. Cheers.